Hello friend, we are going to look at the dash cam on the market. We made the list based on our own opinion, research and customer reviews. We considered the quality features and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updating price on this product's mention, check the description box below. Number 5. Imagebon Dash Cam. The Imagebon Dash Cam is a high-quality device designed for driving, capturing high-quality footage in various weather conditions. It features a car charger, 1.5-meter cable length, and is lightweight, weighing 1.1 kilograms. The device uses lithium ultracapacitors for reliable power and quick charging times. It is powered by a corded electric connection, with a maximum external memory of 128 GB. The high-resolution camera records 3840 x 2160 pixels, capturing detailed images and license plate numbers with precision. Number 4. Acceo A20P Dash Cam. The Acceo A20P Dash Cam is a state-of-the-art device that offers comprehensive coverage and advanced features for your vehicle's safety. It is designed as a rearview mirror with a 9.66-inch touch-IP screen for easy navigation and recording. The Generplus chipset ensures efficient performance, and the camera sensor and lens capture clear and detailed footage from both the front and rear of your vehicle. The camera uses MJPG video coding for efficient compression and quality. The built-in battery is designed for saving time in settings but not for continuous operation. The dash cam supports various OSD languages, including English, Russian, Chinese, Japanese, and Korean. It also includes essential features like G-sensor, cycle recording, motion detection, parking monitor, time and data display, wide dynamic range, picture-in-picture display, and automatic on-off functionality. Number 3. EACE Dash Cam. The EACE Dash Cam is a high-quality device designed for vehicle safety, offering comprehensive coverage and advanced features. It is installed as a rearview mirror, providing a large 10.0-inch touch-IP screen for easy navigation and recording. The all-winner chipset ensures efficient performance, and the camera sensor and lens are 4MP and 2MP, respectively. The camera records videos at 2560 x 1440 pixels and 1920 x 1080 pixels, while capturing photos at 12 megapixels. The dash cam uses H.264 video coding for efficient compression. It has a built-in battery for saving time in settings but not for continuous operation. It supports a wide range of OSD languages, including Russian, Chinese, English, Korean, Japanese, French, Polish, Dutch, Spanish, Hebrew, Portuguese, Arabic, Turkish, German, Hungarian, Lithuanian, Czech, Italian, Slovak, Romanian, Thai, and Vietnamese. The dash cam supports micro South Dakota cards with a Class 10 rating, a rear camera upgrade option, and additional features like night vision, 2.5K video resolution, Wi-Fi connectivity, and GPS tracking for precise location recording. Number 2. Podofo Dash Cam. The Podofo Dash Cam is a safety and convenience device with built-in speakers, audio transmission, and backup camera compatibility. It features a 10.26-inch color IP screen, wireless CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, memory card and Bluetooth connectivity, easy installation and versatile compatibility, and fixed simple voice commands for hands-free driving. The dash cam also supports wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing seamless integration with smartphones and enhancing the driving experience. The package includes a stand and sticker for secure installation and a cigarette lighter power supply for easy charging. Number 1. OBDPEAK Dash Cam. The OBDPEAK Dash Cam is an advanced device that enhances driving experience and ensures safety on the road. It features a corded electric connection, built-in screen, loop cycle recording feature, audio recording, night shot function, rear camera, maximum external memory of up to 128 GB, dual lens setup, GC4653 imaging sensor, and a large 10.26-inch display for clear and immersive viewing. The camera captures video footage from both front and rear of the vehicle, providing valuable evidence in case of incidents or accidents. The camera's 1200 megapixels ensures clear and detailed video footage, allowing for easy navigation through menu options and recorded videos. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, share and leave a comment. To get more storage solution videos like this, hit the like and subscribe button and leave a comment below to let me know what you'd like to see next.